We get a lot of questions about seed inoculation. What is it? What does it do? When should I use it? In this next video, we're going to go in depth as to what it is and why you should consider using it every time you plant on your farm.
So let's talk about what an inoculant actually is and what it does as well, just maybe for those who aren't familiar.
Yeah, so I mean, an inoculation is essentially you're giving yourself or giving the seed or the soil, right? You can inoculate soil. Old people will say, "Oh, I got inoculated for the flu." That's kind of like an old term, right? But essentially, what you're doing is you're giving the seeds a good biological coating. So bacteria, it's good bacteria it's like an insurance policy. It's going to guarantee you that these seeds, when they go into the soil, whether you're tilling, no tilling, broadcasting, et cetera, they're going to be coated with this particular bacteria. And when they start to grow, that bacteria now is right on the root where the seed cracked open, it shot down its root, it's growing. And that bacteria is going to allow for better end fixation, regardless of the legume species. We also were fortunate enough to find and create this with the ability to also include bacteria that helps with other nutrient uptake for multiple plants, right? So even your brassicas and stuff, they're not going to be fixing nitrogen, but they're going to help with nutrient uptake, which is going to be a stress reducer, a risk mitigator for those plants. And then also, we wanted to continue to make it a little bit better. So we have a carbon-based or humic-based addition to that as well, which is known for helping to promote better root development, better germination rates, et cetera. And as Jared said, we're actually going to be including this with every single order. It'll be stapled right onto the top of the bag. I'm really excited about it. I mean, I've been testing this now for a while. I've seen really good results so far. It's a really good insurance policy, and it's at no additional, addition to our customers.
We're just trying to be better and better and better. And I think that just to summarize, what does this new product guarantee for the seeds? You mentioned it, a few different things in there, but let's list the attributes that, this vitamin for our biology, what does this guarantee?
It guarantees a couple of things. One, that the right biology is in the root zone for end fixation, right? And that's one of the things why I wanted to come out with this. And you and I were in agreement. We talked to so many people and you're like, "Hey, have you had legumes in that field before?" "I don't know. It's a new farm. I just bought it." "Oh, I don't know. I cleared this out of a woodlot." So there wasn't, I started to get to the point where I'm like, man, a lot of people just aren't sure. Why don't we just add this insurance policy? So one, it's going to guarantee you that you have the right bacteria on the seed that's going to help with that end fixation. And even if you're seeing root nodules form, this is only going to help get more end fixation. You're not going to see a reduction or something. Right? You're not going to overdo it.
Yeah.
And then,
in the ground.
Exactly. So, and then some of the other, benefits of this type of thing, right, that we would expect to see, again, you're going to need rain. No magic pills out there, right? I don't want to oversell this for something that it isn't, but improve seed germination, improve root development, enhance nutrient uptake, right? So those are some of the things that we talked about and can definitely have an impact. You can also have improved stress tolerance on the plants. Again, healthier plants are less stressed, guys. So if you have better root development, faster germination, better root development, better nutrient uptake, you're most likely going to be mitigating your stress factors. And then just overall better plant growth and development.